confidence.
All right, I'm ready to put the processor in.
Be overcome by
I got my tire iron.
in and between our countries. 2009 is also the first year of global governance.
I got my 12-inch Crescent Wrench.
In the middle of the financial crisis. The climate
Notice the tire iron's got the lug on it.
is another step towards the global management of our planet.
It's about
Isn't that great?
24 inches.
This is why. What's going on? He's probably a conspiracy theorist.
I got my drill standing by.
Here is why you don't
My DeWalt.
want the crisis until
And we're going to put the
America
processor
is
in.
prepared.
I've drank like
America must
28
be prepared
beers.
because the other side is prepared with the framework. And remember,
Can't never have enough beers
fear. What
when
do
you're
they
doing
say?
delicate shit like
In
this.
their own words, they always.
I've already
protest
dipped the whole
and
board in
seek
beer.
Others first. They always do. What have they been
Just
saying
to break
about
it in well.
Fear allows or makes people do stupid.
I got the
things.
instructions.
They don't make good
But
decisions.
we ain't going to read that shit.
Well, if there's a crisis that they have not prepared you for, you will be fearful.
And there it
There's
is.
a crisis
I got the
overnight, and
processor.
all of a sudden, your world melts down.
Flip up
as I
the
told you
lever.
on Friday, within 15 days of an event. 15 days, the IMF is in control. Well, you'll be fearful, and you will not make the right decision. The only thing we have to fear is not being prepared. If you are prepared,
Here's
you are
how it
not
goes.
fearful.
And
Rand
there, it's locked in.
what
That was pretty tough, huh?
debt ceiling, because that
Now
is
I gotta
impossible.
wrench it a little bit.
Not raising the debt ceiling.
Oh, it doesn't have a bolt. I gotta beat it in with a tire. Oh, I don't have a block of wood. I forgot the block of wood.
Because I think exactly what tactics we'll use will have to be discussed, and I do plan on working with others.
So
to
I'm
find out what
testing
that
it.
strategy is.
Yep.
I will tell you, though, that I don't
It's
think
on
that
there.
debt is a good idea.
Now look at the blue orb.
Right, yeah. And well, I mean, I think Rand is
Oh,
smart enough.
that ain't gonna work.
You don't want to bring on the apocalypse. You don't want to bring on
Figure something else out.
Listen, that's what we are talking about. Everything that
So now we
they
get the
told you
processor
was
fan
done
out.
if you didn't pass TARP.
Cooling fan.
What I'm telling you was true. And the only reason why I was for it for 3 days was because
I still
really
gotta
thought
put
they'd
the
use
stuff
that
on
to
there.
Prepare you, but they haven't. What they've done is prepared them.
And the way this
when you
works
see,
is
beginning tomorrow, the George Soros
it's got this little
story.
thing over here.
Tomorrow
It's
I tell you
gonna
all
latch
about
onto
George
that.
Soros. The next day I tell you all
And
about
this
George
one's
Soros
gonna
and
latch
how-
onto the other one.
And if we still need another day,
I'm just
I will
gonna
tell you
test
then
fit it for
exactly
now.
How it all works, and it will boggle.
You can see how that one latches down.
No ifs, ands, or doubts. Am I overselling this? No, I don't think so.
Flick the lever that way.
From what little you know, Stu. Yeah, no, I mean, from what I mean, it is.
Put it down in
It
the
will boggle your
plug
mind
deal.
that these things are going on, and it is all well researched and well documented.
And I got it in there. Then all I do is
in their own words.
twist the lever and lock it down.
That was my question to you. Do we know? I mean, we know this for sure.
And there it is. It's locked in. Nothing to it, guys.
Amazing. Yeah. Much of it from his own writings and.
Now I'm gonna try and reshoot the vid from in the helmet.
Amazing how clear they are. So you have to be prepared. Now, what does that mean? Well, Pat and I were talking about.
Oh, that already had the shit on it. I didn't know that.
America doesn't understand.
Damn it, man.
What the loss of the dollar means. Most people think, oh, well, so what, the dollar, so what, it would be just a basket of currency, if they even go that far.
So I'll
We've never
redo
lost
that.
the dollar.
Put it right
We've
back
never
on.
had the problems the rest of the world has. Why is Mexico
But
the problem that it
I'm not going to leave that shit on there. I'm going to use my Quicksilver on it.
Because there's corruption.
And I already get shit on my gloves,
System
so
broke down, and
I'll be back.
The peso isn't worth anything. Are up 58% in the last year. Did you
Got
know
the
that?
fan back on there with the
Did you
stuff
know
on
that
it.
I think is up like
This is the
50%
plug. Here's the
50%
CPU.
raw good now in the last
Here's the
2 months.
CPU fan plug-in.
All these things are going.
Now you can't screw this up. It's got 2 notches. The board's got 2 notches. Or it's got a male connector.
is now saying America is going to
You plug it in.
Inflation, but they're still telling you about deflation. Why? If you owe money,
You put the flip back on theirs.
Let's say you're the federal government, because you'll be able to pay off that debt.
Maybe.
If you're a saver, this isn't good for you.
Then you lock it down.
Because what you've saved,
it's a done deal. It's pretty simple. Don't be afraid of this shit.
At the lowest rung of the economic ladder,
nothing to it.
This is the worst for you. Because you don't have anything.
Here's the sound card.
Your wages won't be able to keep up with the food.
It's just going to plug in like that, but I can't put it in yet.
If you're
Because I got to wait till the board's mounted.
It's bad for you unless you are moving.
There's a Athlon 2 decal that goes on my computer.
Worth something. I'll show you later this week. We'll probably talk about it on the radio. Joe did some research over the weekend and was reading. Oh, I felt bad for Joe. I made him read some diaries.
This is the video card going on. One of them.
Lived through the Weimar.
I can't put that on because I got to elevate the board.
And they traded it for, you know, bag of flour.
They just.
How somebody wanted, you know, fresh vegetables, and
they're just going to plug into these slots.
And said, this is, you know, gold.
There's an itty bitty marker there and an itty bitty marker there that correspond to this. Whoop. Which way does it go?
Something of value, and I don't know what that value is.
It's going to go like that.
I can tell you, if you think like a...
No. You got to put the male side down.
It would be alcohol.
It's going to plug in just like that. That would be one.
Cigarettes. Be things that people that you know that people are going to.
And the other one will go there.
And you trade them.
It's not a big deal. It's pretty easy. All right, be back. Okay, guys. I just got it installed, and I just got done putting the screws in because I needed two hands, so I didn't video it. But it's got all the screws in except that one right there, which I'll have to go into the box and find the other screw, or another screw, because that one's just not going in. And next thing I'm going to do is, since the ram's up here, I can get to that easy, no problem. I'm going to start running the cables down, the wires down, start plugging them in. And I'll install the 2 terabyte hard drive. So, just wanted to give you an update. It's coming along. But you don't rush shit like this. But you drink plenty of beer. That's what I do to slow me down. Okay, later.